Find out more at Energy Max, directly across from Home
This is
Depot
taping
in
right now. Don't
Queensbury.
touch anything.
It's the biggest event in upstate New York's history. The Garvey Auto Showdown. Get fuel-efficient 2013 accents.
Undercarriage. The undercarriage. That's why we got. Oh yeah. Get your hands in your undercarriage. It's very cold. See, next thing it's a new bowl. That's a dance. It's fresh bowl. So you understand how this works then?
Yeah, I stop every.
The
whole thing. I stop every 10 seconds and it takes you about a half hour to get through here.
You know, the sign is here. You should be standing here.
Oh, no, see, Bobby's back there to tell me what.
Oh, good.
Bob right there is going to tell me what.
Bella's got it figured out. But the sign says forward, stop, back.
Bob's going to want to
Nice background. Hey, that was a pre-existing condition. That's got a lot to pull. He's saying it was when I hit him with the car brakes, but it's not. Hey, your popcorn's here. Yeah, I see that. Tricia has popcorn for you. She said she'd bring up the popcorn for the show.
8:22.
Saturday, sunny, the high in the upper 70s. Sunday, partly cloudy, the high in the low 80s. And Monday,
So this is what you do after retirement.
right now.
Well, this is what you do after retirement.
That's why I'm not retiring.
Oh, come on. That's not what they say.
But are we ready
I didn't totally retire.
Yeah. Car wash happening.
We have a great crowd here, Danny, and we even have popcorn, okay?
Really?
Yeah, and John's opening a bag of popcorn, spread that around. That's I said to Rick, why don't you eat popcorn?
Well, that's a good idea.
Absolutely.
You want some popcorn?
Yeah.
When you go through?
Oh,
she's got a little bag.
We will say there is some mold.
Yeah.
We can find some mold, but it's fresh mold.
It's brand new.
Yeah, it's fresh mold. Perfectly new mold. Okay. All right, well, he's in the wagon, and Mr. Masita is prepared, all set to go. And are you ready to go, buddy? Hey, we'll go. Now, your back feel a lot better now that you got that rope in your hand?
Oh, it'll be a lot better once I get him going in.
I got you, okay.
And if he doesn't do it right the first time, just make sure that, it's like I said before, it's not practice that makes perfect.
Right.
Perfect practice.
All right. We're all set. He got his gear on. We got it ready to go. Oops. You all set there? All right, start it up. Bob's got it all programmed, and he's on his way through right now. And there's the gathering gun.
Oh my God!
It's a little cold.
Really?
Well, okay, is he stuck? What's going on? I'm getting wet. Where we go? All right. Now you got to bring him up. What do you think, Mr. Madden, so far?
So far, so good. Rick is not really pulling it as strongly as he should, I think, by design, actually.
You think so?
Absolutely.
All right, well, he's
I think he might be throwing it just a little.
No question.
Now we got now. There's a thing inside of here that is a stop thing, and when it stops, okay. Wait, hold. You want to watch out there, Mr. B? He's giving it. Oh, Mr. Nevada is giving us some popcorn. He looks like famished, Dan. Yep. Okay. Now he's coming through. He's eating his popcorn.
When are they going to do the undercarriage?
Right, and we got the. No, we already got the undercarriage. So now we're going to go through. This is going to be the actual foaming and the wax, and he's waving to everybody.
You gonna get Sophie right now?
Stop right there. Okay. All right. We have stopped.
Okay, we're done.
No! He told me to sit down!
No, you're stay right
No,
there.
no, no.
You're okay. Stay right there.
No. Just relax. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just relax.
And he's got the goggles.
I know, that's good. No. It just started.
Oh no, that moves right around, Dick. It's on his way. You see it moving now? Okay.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. This is called the precept. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, no, yeah, now the big smoke is happening. Here comes the, what the hell? Yeah, this is the precept. He's getting all soaked up.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. It looks like butter popcorn. Either that, he had an accident.
No, he's okay. So he's okay. Okay?
Twice.
Yeah. Unless Bob programs it around 6 times.
Oh, okay.
You just gotta wait a minute because you're not as long as a
So far,
vehicle.
Danny, he's wet. Okay, that.
And enjoying his popcorn.
He's having popcorn. Here comes the second.
Hold on.
He has soap.
This is
Don't
the
eat
second
now.
package, okay? He did say it's a little on the cold side.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, here's it. Here it comes. Yes, right here. It does. So here it comes. Now he's going.
Oh my goodness.
Mr. Messina is enjoying this from the back.
No, I'm not.
It's
No,
like
I'm
a
not.
frosty flake.
He just frosted. A really good sport going through this thing. I really thought I was going to have to do this and him standing out there doing what I'm doing. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
We're done?
No, you got to rinse off. Okay.
You gotta get the shit off, yeah.
Longer than the race.
Hold on to your hat.
He's got choice. He's got his way. This is rinse and go on. Have you ever seen anything like this in Italy?
You'll find out in about a second.
Oh my God.
Like it's getting ready to go over Niagara Falls. All those times with John was back in the and Rick came back in the coach on it's okay. It took him all these years, but okay, that's the first one.
No,
I think you got a rinse cycle.
No, you're not done yet.
That was crazy.
And that's coming up. Okay, now
Here we go.
Oh, good. I just had to see this.
I think this is Simonized time.
Oh, yeah. I
Getting his knuckles waxed.
He just got waxed, Danny. And we haven't got the color.
Okay, this is definitely rinse time.
He's yelling, no more. No more.
He's being a really good sport about this. And Poplar's back. I don't think he'll be able to tell. No,
I gotta wait for him to get rinsed.
that's right. He's got to have a wax too. That was just the spot to get rinsed. Okay, now he's going to get the. This is the spot where he's going to go. This is the front.
That was awful. You didn't have to do it twice.
There he goes. Okay, that's the spot right now. Yep. And now he's going to go. This is going down. Now we're going to get
We'll check with Bobby on this. Bob, what's the next process ahead?
Well, we're just going to do a top rinse, and then we're going to dry it off.
Okay. Water again.
That's probably just after that. What was that? You smelled that. You smelled
Oh, that's nice.
You like that one?
Holy jeez.
Fantastic. You paid your debt, and you helped a lot of people make a lot of money and help 6 charities. Fantastic job, buddy.
Hey, you want to hug Kellogg? He's the one that caused all the trouble. Thank you, Rick.
What do you think?
Unbelievable. Great sport, tremendous sport, and raised a lot.
I sure hope that's popcorn.
Ton of stuff you can do out of there.
He got a little revenge back on me with the popcorn. He popcorn and flew all over the car.
Oh, now you got to clean it up. We got half an hour before we go to our next story about it. Okay.
Yeah, I think it went pretty well.
I think it went great, Bob. Thanks an awful lot for letting us use the car wash for this event. And Danny, thanks for coming up, guys.
Let's hear it for Rick. Way to go, Rick.
And the 6 charities are going to benefit with over $13,500 that was raised for the go-kart race and the little challenge that I did not have to get this time.
First time you go legit, brother.
I know, that's it. That's well,
Man.
Can hardly wait for next year.
I'm looking forward to it already.
all right, Danny, we're going to wrap things up here. I'll see you over
Is he
there.
still speechless?
Yeah, no, I think he might say something.
Danny, wait till next year. You're going to take advantage of a really old man by then.
Sounds like a real cheap Clint Eastwood movie, didn't he?
Wait till next year.
Yeah.
Go ahead, old guy.
Can't wait for the launch.
Yes, we don't need the popcorn.
Now, did Carrie film the whole thing?
Gary filmed it all. We have it up. We're going to have everything up on our website.
On Facebook.
Take that phrase off. Call everybody. There you go, folks. That's it. We're going to watch this up here for the War Tire Racing Touch Free Car Wash with Rick Davidson. It's cold. Thank their debt to society. Thank you.
There you go.
You're right. 95.
Warm as compared to what?
How do you turn it on?
That's not like that's like camp shower water.